In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 11 PC choose the 5 GHz over the 2.4 on your Wi-Fi router. So if your router supports both bands, it's not too difficult to set a preference for one of them. So what you need to do is go down to the bottom taskbar and put your mouse cursor over the Windows icon, and then right click with your touchpad or your mouse, and then select Device Manager from the list. And then from there, you want to look for the option called Network Adapters. You can see it there. And if you click on the little arrow on the left-hand side, it will expand the menu. So you're looking for the option called Wi-Fi. In my case, it's called MediaTek Wi-Fi 6E. Yours may be slightly different depending on your model. So double click on that, and then select the Advanced tab at the very top. And then down towards the bottom, there's an option called Preferred Band, so select that. And you can see the value is set to no preference, so what you can do is expand that. So you can choose 2.4, 5 GHz, or even 6 GHz if your router and PC support that. So I'm just going to choose 5, as it's faster than 2.4 and more reliable. Then select OK. Wait a few seconds for it to save. That's now saved. So your Windows 11 PC will now choose the 5 GHz band over the 2.4 and so on. So that's it. Thanks for watching.